In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best tonneau cover for Ram 1500 available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. I haven't yet discovered a model that can compete with the Tyger Auto T3 trifold tonneau cover in terms of security, usability, and simplicity of access. It was regarded as one of the best tonneau covers for 2022. Additionally, you'll undoubtedly note that there are a lot of alternatives available that appear to copy its well-known look. However, the affordable pricing is what they lack, and that distinguishes this tonneau cover from its rivals. Even though it is a soft folding cover, it has characteristics that will assure maximum security and minimal truck bed access. First, there is the tear-resistant, dual-coated, marine-grade vinyl that is affixed to a frame made of aluminum and secured with stainless steel rods. Additionally, the tonneau cover's weather-tight sealing around the edges shields your goods from the sun, wind, rain, and other elements. Most importantly, none of these issues had any impact on how simple it was to reach everything. You can access 1 to 2/3 of the truck bed using the folding panels. Additionally, when you fully open it, there are useful safety buckles that will hold the folded cover in place as well. The ONINE AWR soft roll-up tonneau cover is a well-made cover that offers exceptional value. This cover is a need for anyone who wishes to keep their bed adequately shielded from the elements thanks to its electric roll-up construction, quick-release buckle straps, and simple installation. This cover is the ideal solution to protect your truck bed from debris, rain, snow, and other weather. It was created using the most up-to-date roll-up technology, and even beginners will be able to install it using the provided step-by-step instructions. The durable vinyl used in the construction of this tonneau cover ensures that it will function flawlessly for many years to come. Additionally, it has a strap with a quick-release buckle that makes handling it simpler. The covers may be folded up for simple cargo access and won't harm priceless objects kept in your truck bed. 2 bungee cords are used to hold the cover firmly in place at the front of the bed. The cover has a robust maximum load capacity and can be adjusted to fit various bed lengths. The sleek external design and all-black finish, which enhance your vehicle's aesthetic appeal when fitted, are also praised by many consumers. Its resistance to water and scratching should be mentioned as one of its qualities. Due to its one-piece design and UV protection, it will survive for a very long period. Additionally, this cover works with a variety of Dodge Ram 1500 models. Let's face it, we have all experienced at least one bad tonneau cover that either could not be kept in place while traveling or did not adequately deflect rain and snow. Put your trust in this unit going forward if you want to stay away from such things, which it's safe to presume you do. I guess in a nutshell, it's a great blend of all-weather protection, robust design, and use with just the appropriate level of safety on top. Wait till you see what the Xcover brings to the table, starting with the durable aluminum frame that serves as the bone of this tonneau cover. I know it seems too good to be true. Did you know that this device can support 500-pound loads? Yes, you read that correctly, 500 pounds of whatever you want to slap on top. This cover's solid core hard panels are matched with an equally strong frame, which is the second most striking feature. It is made to be resistant to cold, UV rays, and scratches. So, no matter the weather or the surroundings, you and the bed of your truck are protected. A 5-year no-questions-asked warranty will protect you even if something does go wrong. The ability to keep items where they are even if they don't totally fit into the bed of my truck was the most critical feature I was searching for in a decent Ram 1500 tonneau cover. 3 easily movable elements make up Gator EFX, and what I love best about them is that when they are positioned straight, they immediately lock into place. Returning to the topic of storing huge objects, I discovered that it is preferable to only open the first 2 latches when transporting items that require tying up in order to make them stable. I particularly enjoy that this tonneau cover features rubber gasket-style flaps on each end and seals of the same type on each rail, making it waterproof. In my study, I have encountered one issue with this cover. It can be rather unpleasant to drive knowing that your cover is not securely sealed because the latch occasionally won't close. Instead of me, a good friend of mine who purchased the cover at the same time as I did had this unfortunate event. A number of the parts were damaged or deformed when they were first taken out of the box. This is not the hard tonneau cover you're looking for a Ram 1500. This might be what you're looking for if you want something softer. Of the ones in today's list, this one is perhaps the simplest to set up. You can believe I enjoyed the process when I claim it took me only 15 minutes. I wasn't even aware of the passing of time because everything was so fluid and simple. This demonstrates that the arrangement was carefully considered by the maker. I really had to look for someone who had a poor experience with this product, but I was, to put it mildly, unsuccessful in my search. One persistent drawback that was mentioned to me is that occasionally individuals can't close and lock it properly. But it looks like this happened in a small number of instances and not the majority. This is only a warning as I personally didn't experience this issue. Contrary to what you might initially think, this tonneau cover really does keep your truck bed dry. The storm that occurred the second night after I received it didn't affect my truck bed at all. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.